And in today's video, we have a couple of cases for Pixel 8. Let's see which one will be the best. Let's start with a transparent case with a MagSafe. It's a Pixel 8. Let's put it in. And, well, it will protect your camera. It will protect your screen all around. Sorry, I hit the microphone. Especially with the corners. Look at these corners. Oh, yeah. That is a protection. All right, MagSafe. Is it going to work? Yeah. Nice. See, it is. Really good. All around. Wow. This case is winning. There's a plastic on this case, but I will not remove it. Let me just put it back. Let's see another one. And another case will be a similar case, but a bit different. How is it different? Well, come on. Unpack it. It's a brand new case. You see, it doesn't have such a aggressive corners. And it's a bit thicker, I guess. I never tried that case, so. Wow. Well, I gotta admit, this one feels better without those corners. And it looks slimmer, it looks nicer. Well, is it going to protect your camera? Yes, it will. Is it going to protect your screen? Yes, it will. All around. MagSafe. Whoops. Okay, tight. And it is charging. It's tight. Very tight. All right. Winning for the MagSafe. Okay, the next cases will be without the MagSafe. So we can just remove them from the view. There you go. All right. What's next? The next one will be Nicklin. How do I open it? All right, from here. Okay. Why such a tremendous amount of box for such a small case? Wow, it feels very nice in the hand. That is impressive. Wow, feels like silk, especially inside. Damn. A bit slippery again. Anyway, it's a green one. Oh, it's too slippery. It feels very nice in the hand, but those corners. Oh shit! I told you. Okay, we are not going to cut that. You see those corners? They're so nice, but very slippery. Why it's so slippery in the corners? It will just. Wow. It's better without the case than with the case. It's crazy. Okay, I don't. Okay, is it going to protect your screen? Yes, it will. All around. Look at it. All around. And the camera? It will also. All the cutouts, all the buttons. Nice. But it's so slippery. I don't understand why they make the case so slippery. It's crazy. Anyway, let's put it aside. It looks nice. But let's put it aside now. Now that's. Oh, it's so tight. Come on. Okay, let's put it aside. Looking cool, but functionality is mediocre. All right, now board, whatever that means. Board. This one. Wow, this one is black. All right. Very soft inside. All right. Let's see. Kurwa, czy to musi... No. Is it going to protect your camera? Yes, it will. Screen? Of course it will. How's it feel in the hand? I don't know. And those transparent... The first transparent tool was great. The second one is slippery. Second, not transparent. It's slippery. I don't know. Similar to the green one. A little less slippery, but still. Ooh. It's better to without it than with that case. It's crazy. I don't like this one at all. It's bulky, ugly, and slippery. It's a no-go for me. Okay. 2 cases, very inexpensive ones, just like $1 case. This is literally $1 case. Literally. Alright, let's try it out. Let's try the $1 case. This is going to be better than $15 case. It's a thick plastic. Thin. Okay, thin. My English. Thin. Not thick. Thin. Kurwa, weź to. Way more grippy than those previous 2. It's good. It is good. But it's going to protect your screen. It's very light and it will. Just a little bit. Not like in the previous 2, but camera. It will too. What the fuck? Kurwa, jeszcze raz. 3, 2, 1, start. Weź się nie wpierdalaj! Alright, is it going to protect your screen? Look at that G logo on the back. Damn. And that, I don't know if you can see it, but wow, it is looking nice. Very slim looking. Is it going to protect your screen? Oh yeah, it will. Not too much, a little bit, but... And the camera? Of course it will. And, okay, I'm sorry if I'm hitting the microphone. And it feels very nice. Not slippery like in the previous ones. The previous ones was terrible. Not slippery at all. I like it. I like this one. $1 case is better than a $15 case. That is crazy. And another $1 case. This one not transparent. It looks like a $1 case. Alright. Okay, now this whole smartphone is black. I must say, no one will know what that is. Look, it's completely like covering the whole thing, and I don't know. I like the back on the Pixel. Now it's looking like I don't know. And it is slippery. No, I don't like this one. Is it going to protect my screen? Oh yes, it will. All around. And the cameras? Of course. Why I'm getting messages all the time? Can I go to the airplane mode? Yes, of course I can. Alright, I don't like this one. No. And last but not least, the original case. Original case for the Pixel 8. Now, original is original, so it should be best of the best. Also, the more expensive. Basically 10 times more expensive. Wow, wrapped in that paper. Wow. It feels very nice in the hand. Look at the quality. Now that is a quality. It's screaming quality. Nice. Tight. But it is slippery. And not extremely slippery. And I like the logo. You can feel the logo under my finger. It doesn't hide the cameras. So it's great. But is it going to protect the camera? Oh yeah, it will. See, it is a little bit above the camera. And the screen? Of course, all around.
For that, you'll have to turn off aeroplane mode.
Of course I'll have to. So, which one is the best? I think those 2 first MagSafe transparent cases are the best. They all compatible with the wireless charging, so don't worry about that. They all can wireless charge this smartphone. You have to be accurate to the point. When they see? To be accurate, like in here. Somewhere there, but trust me, they are compatible with wireless charging. So, I think the first two transparent and the original one is the way to go. The rest, okay, this one is also slippery. I don't know. So the first two transparent ones, they are the best, better than the original ones. I think number one is this one, without dead corners. So number one, second, third, the original, and the rest is history. And that's all I have for the Pixel 8 case experience. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.